Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to today's presentation. Today we're going to take another look at one of the key Microsoft tools that's been rolled out in 365. This tool has been around for a while, but I'm going to show you a few tricks that can help you navigate the resource much better. And also, if you have any concerns or issues within this platform, please let me know. I'll be more than happy to help you. So this today, as you can see, it's going to be PowerPoint. Microsoft PowerPoint is a very, very useful resource. And then we're going to get right down to it. And I'm going to show you a couple of things that you can utilize inside your classroom setting once again. All right, so for instance, instead of me typing in this block, I can go right here. Hello, everyone. Thank you for watching this presentation, period. Okay. All right, so it's already there for you. You can do that instead of typing sometimes, which is another useful tool, I think, that you can utilize. All right, so we'll move to our next slide, and now we can record aspects of the slide or the entire presentation within this tool here. So to record, you go to Insert, Media, Screen Recording. All right, so you can record an area. Okay, draw your area. All right, and then you can go here. Okay, I'm recording my desktop and all the applications that I have on most of the application I have within this square. Okay. All right, you can pause the recording, use your pointer, put it right there, and it's built within the slide. All right, I think that's very neat, very useful tool that you can just plug and play with. All right, as you can see, slide 1, slide 2, all right, slide 3. All right, now you want to, if you're doing professional training, you have some breakout sessions where you give your group 10 minutes, 20 minutes, this, that, and the other. And instead of looking at your watch or setting a timer, you can also add a slide with a timer on it. So once again, we'll go to Insert, Add-ins, Get Add-ins. All right, keep in mind some of these add-ins do come with a fee. So I try to deal with the free add-in. So I need a timer. So let's try to get one. Okay, scrolling down. This is one I like. So I add it, continue. All right, so it's here. So it actually works. And it does a countdown. Like I said, from between breakout sessions, you can give them 10 minutes and then start your countdown. And it's already built within your presentation. Okay. All right. So now those are 3 of the very key tools that I think will help you be successful. I'm going to add one more. And I want to, well, let's just back up. When you record, you can save that as an MP4, which is very beneficial on your desktop, or you can even upload it somewhere. So that's a very, very useful resource once again. Okay. Now let's take a look at if you want to add, say, a shape. Let's say a circle. You can hit Control Shift, or you can hit Shift, and it makes a perfect circle. All right, by clicking on Shift. If I want to duplicate that circle, all right, I can click on it, hit Control, voila, you have a duplicate. So it makes a copy of itself. All right, and I think that can be very useful also within this platform. All right, so once again, those are just a few of the key tools that I think will help you be successful within your classroom setting. Thank you for attending today's training. And if you have any questions or concerns, once again, I'm here for you, and enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you.